massive shark.
Two wrasse, one mackerel.
Is that bait wicked?
What's up, guys? We're here at Marketer Beach. Just about to go in for a dive. The other two are already in. I just had to come after because I had something else on. So yeah, I've got everything packed, got the spear, got all my gear in the back. Now we're just gonna go meet them in the water. What we're looking for today is some Kina, Paua, crayfish, and mussels. Last time we came we didn't find any mussels, so I don't think this is the right area for that, but we can always go to Eastbourne tomorrow. But the main aim for this trip is to get some seafood so we can give it to our family. Let's go. So that point over there is where we're going. It's about a 10-minute walk all the way around. I can see their float in the water already, so I'm going to do a bit of a jog just to make up some time so we get the most out of it. See you guys when we get there. Alright, took about 5 minutes. Guys right there. Oh yeah? Oh, almost full bucket.
More than a bucket, man.
Was it coming up to you?
It was like from me to those rocks.
What?
And it.
Yeah. Where was it?
Huh?
Where was it?
It was swimming on the way there. We went from a lot of like seaweed to no seaweed. It was swimming right next to that. And I was so close to it. And I couldn't swim with the bag, it's so heavy. Bailey, massive shark.
Check that. So we got our catcher, more over there. It's always harder on the way back, especially on a successful catch. Probably got about 100 to 150 Kina. Not all great sizes, but it's always good to get it out of the water because they just destroy the whole reef. So you get 2 wrasse, decent size. I was targeting this big one, but he got away. Then managed to get one of the mackerels that were swimming in the school. That'll be a good bait for throwing out on the surf. Unfortunately, we didn't get that many Pauas. Couldn't find that many over the size limit. So hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to get some more. But yeah. Alright guys, we're back out again. It's Christmas Eve. About to go for one last dive to get the rest of the Paua and maybe some Kina as well.
that's a good size.
Yeah.
Is it deep?
Oh yeah. Careful with the barb.
Put one on the head. Like right on the brain. On the side.